Hello, welcome. This is a quick Macy's unboxing video. This product was at a special price, and I think it went back to its original price by now. Macy's often have good promotion on beauty and fragrances, and I like to take advantage of their promotions and order their products when are in special, especially fragrances and some beauty products like facial products. Plus, I earn Macy's point towards my next purchase, sometimes $10 and sometimes more. This time, I order Victor and Rolf Flowerbomb Midnight Eau de Parfum. This is the 3.40 ounces bottle. This fragrance is described as a long-lasting and addictive perfume. This is a floral fragrance with the notes of blackcurrant, mysterious night-blooming jasmine, fragrant peony flower, intimate musk, rich vanilla, pomegranate, and fresh patchouli. Stay tuned for my first impression video coming soon. Bye!